All Alabama Gardener, and in this video I'm showing you how to make imitation cornbread using millet meal. Folks, would you like to have a great tasting substitute for cornmeal, like when you're making cornbread? In this video I'm going to show you how to make a bread using millet instead of corn. Now, millet has the same texture and tastes pretty much like cornmeal, but actually I think it's better. And I also believe that it is much healthier for you than cornbread or cornmeal. So now let's get started. Now this is organic millet, but at this point it is not ground into a meal. So that's what we're going to do next. Now 1/2 cup of millet seeds will produce about 1/2 cup of millet meal. If you're going to use a Vitamix, as I am, to grind your meal, then you need to be using something called a dry container. This is about the consistency we want. You don't want to overgrind it. Before we begin mixing it, you might as well turn your oven on, let it be warming up. Now this recipe is going to make one 9-inch baking pan. Now you can use 100% millet meal if you want to stay away from the flour. Now you might check it after say 30 minutes because oven temperatures sometimes do vary.
Cut better, rubber.
Yeah.
Picture, you know, one slice cut.
Huh?
One slice piece cut, then to take your picture. That makes this good.
Oh, yeah.
Not like that. You have to, you know.
First I'm gonna, oh, you mean take it out,
No, picture. I
do,
think,
do a slice here you're talking about?
yeah, put on top of here or something.
Oh, okay.
Looks good. Try, you know, better than just the whole thing. Put on that one top. Then looks good. Oh, I like how that. Think that way. That way it show inside too, so. Like that. That's good. Delicious.
And a big slab of butter. Now some people have allergies to cornmeal, or in other words, they're food allergies. And some of them don't even know it. But if you are one that has allergies to cornmeal, then millet bread is going to be much better for you. And it's going to taste so much similar, except a little better. So here's our millet bread. Imitation cornbread, if you want to call it that. So the texture looks just like cornbread. This one's got some butter on it. So let me give it a taste test and see what it tastes like. Got that same cornmealy flavor. Feeling and flavor. So that makes it good. Kind of think I like it better than I do cornbread. Never thought I'd say that. Now you know what I'm going to say, don't you? I wish I could give you this bite right here so you could taste it and know how good it is. But I can't do it. You have to get you some millet, grind you some millet meal, make you some imitation cornbread. In my opinion, it's much better, healthier for you because it's not GMO. Almost all corn these days is GMO, and that's not healthy for you.